tí ẹ bá ṣe nílẹ̀ kí mo fẹ́ wá ṣe ń bí mo ń wo mọ́tò orí mi ti orí mo tún sí fìlà kí mo ní mo ṣe yẹn mo sí fìlà orí mi ń gbóná wo Europe là ń lọ next year need to be there. Don't live your life to please other. Mami rẹ ló ń ṣe ìwọ ló ń ṣe rẹ. Daddy ẹ ló ń ṣe ìwọ ló ń ṣe rẹ. Tó bá fẹ́ mẹ tó ṣe lọ sínú kámẹ́rà. Kámẹ́rà fóònù kọ lọ sínú nǹkan tó máa ń gbé kalẹ̀ tá a mọ̀ sí ìwòran kí náà pé gíláàsì. Ẹni tó bá ti rí bẹ̀ òun ló ń ṣe kó o bá lè mọ̀ pé yẹ ẹ̀kọ́ lógun ayé ẹ̀ ìwọ gangan lógun ayé ẹ̀. Go and do the right thing at the right time. Thank you.
Okay, come and see what we want to go and ride now. Very soon.
You see,
we're riding it.
Roller coaster, look at it. Just 4 days. Look at the skin. Check everybody. Look at our skin. We never use soap to bath.
Oh, no, I never use soap. I never use sponge.
Look at our skin.
Very soon now, I will be on board now.
Look at it.
Very soon, I gotta be on board now.
Roller coaster.
Right, roller coaster. I want to go everywhere. I want to go everywhere.
I'm lost okay.
Okay, roller coaster. If you want why you ya? I take care of what you come on. Why do you kill it? Mo sadanu. Mo ja lo se konde mi. Mo tu de ko. Oni kilo ma se carpenter. Mo ja. Mo ni se carpenter. Mo tu lo ru gini sọmi. Mo tu ja. Mo tu lo school after school. Mo lo se Coca-Cola. Àwọn wèrè fún mi ní 18,500. Ní làákà ìwọ tó ń gba owó yẹn orí ẹ ti burú mo jápa mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹlógun ni mò ń tà ẹlógun ni fẹ́ máa tà èmi ti tògùn tèmi mo dẹ̀ ti ṣoríire ìwò fẹ́ tóògùn ayé ẹ ti bàjẹ́.
tó bá jókòó náà ló máa tà tí gbèsè ayé àbí ló jẹ́ lọ tà ayé ẹ ti rú sí kọ́tà wò tó.
Abu Dhabi lọ gọ́gọ́ Abu Dhabi the richest capital in the whole world. The most beautiful capital in the whole world.
Ìwọ tó jẹ́ distributor, don't allow what you are passing through to know. Get it discouraged.
See you with the legend. See you with the millionaire.
You won't believe this. Even if you are making money in your small way, and you think you are a king, do you have this kind of lifestyle? The lifestyle that comes in new life is second to none. And then majority of people work, they live fine a little bit at their own level for now. But check their life after 5-10 years of the time, even if their bosses where they are. Why not face this once and for all and have a generational wealth so that your children yet unborn can enjoy this kind of lifestyle? Be part of this opportunity today and change your life once and for all. If you don't, well, life is a matter of choice. You can leave it, retire, and now regret, I wish I did something else.
Sir, if we may ask, this trip will be how many times you have traveled with this company?
Unbelievable, even to me. We started, I borrowed money to start. I studied biochemistry. Graduated, I'm the last one in a family of 6. And all I started for was a better life. But today, this happened to be my 26th international trip.
Listen, go Dada.
26. How do I count it for you? I don't know.
That's me. More than 50 times.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26. 26 international. All expenses paid by New Life International. Plus what? It's not just the trip. Health. You will not sacrifice your health. Your health will be enhanced. Number 2, you'll be making unlimited income for the rest of your life. A generational one. Not the type you are making now that once you pass on today, you are no longer there, your children cannot even continue. But this one, you get it generational. Your health is going on. You have unlimited lifestyle, and you can transfer it from one generation to the other. What else are you looking for? If you are thinking about your future, I mean that of your children, be part of this opportunity. Make the most of it. You have a one lifetime ticket to financial prosperity. It's been given to you today by the person that is sharing this video. It's up to you to take it and use it and liberate yourself, or it's up to you to tear it and tear that future. Your decision determines what your destiny is going to be. I wish you all the best. Thank you. All right.
26 times.
26 times. That is to say more than 50 times on year.
Gunoka plane rí.
Ọmọ sọ story mọ́ ruwa.
Ó ti kàwé kọjú orí. Èpè lọ́tí fi pa Buhari lásọ̀rọ̀ kan wèrè.
Àsọmọ́ ruwa ni fura. Ayé ti tẹ̀lé ọ. Bóògùn mọ́ ruwa àmọ́ ọgbọ́n mọ́ láńké. Wèrè ní mentality ó ti wà lọ́wọ́ èmi àtàwọn èèyàn gidi Alhaji Mojeed Rọlá Mr. Adesanmi Mayowa youngest abnormal
youth millionaire akóra wa jọ ìwọ ń pariwo Buhari ayé ti ta pa òbí gbàdó àfi tuálẹ̀ tó àgbààgbà wọ́n fi ṣí ọ ni ọ̀lẹ́ nídẹ̀ ń dọ̀ láàmú ọ̀jẹ̀ ká àbúrò bàbá gbádùn mi tó wà. But a fẹ́ fún ọ another opportunity chance kan tó ní ni pé gbogbo fèsì tó ń wò yìí bóyá lórí Flabbus lórí Facebook lórí Twitter tètè wá máa ń wá wọn kiri abájídé Naija kọ́ ọ̀bá rí wa ayé ò lè dá until you locate us before you can be rest. I promise you if you don't locate us you will be massacred.
ló ń gbọ́ wèrè election Saturday sí wọ́n á tún pa yín bí ẹran àwọn àbí àǹjayé o kò sí kò tó kàn wá kéèké ní kò káyé ọmọ àlè òpònú.
ọmọ.